Alright, this one is f of h of negative 6. So I always like to write it f, parentheses, h, another parentheses, and then negative 6. And then close those both sets of parentheses. So I saw this shown a different way. Maybe this will help this different way. You start with negative 6. You're going to plug it in to h. Then you're going to take that answer and plug it into f. So negative 6 gets plugged into h, and then that answer gets plugged into f. I don't know if that'll help or not. So if we take negative 6, we're going to plug it in. And another instructor showed me to just put a box here. We're going to plug it into the function h. So h says x plus 2. So whatever the input is, plus 2. So instead of the letter x, like it says up here, we're going to plug in negative 6. So x plus 2 becomes negative 6 plus 2. And what you get out of that is negative 4. Once we have that answer, we're going to take that answer and plug it in to the function f. So we're going to take negative 6, plug it into h, get an answer, and then plug it into f. F says whatever x is squared plus 2. So we're going to use negative 4 squared plus 2. So negative 4 squared is positive 16 plus 2, and that is our answer. 16 plus 2 is 18, so that's where the 18 comes from. And you answered 40. The only thing I can think is if you did it backwards, if you plugged it into f and then used that answer, to plug it into h. So you just got the f and the h mixed around. But the negative 6 is closest to the h, so the negative 6 goes into h, that answer goes into f. So you work from the inside out. I don't know if these boxes help. It was just a different way that I saw it explained, and I thought it might be helpful. But negative 6 into h, and then that answer into f.